how to make your own original sound on TikTok. So if you want to create your own original sound on TikTok, then this video might help you. So make sure you watch this video till the end and do subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Now let's get into the video. So right now I am at the home page of TikTok, from where you'll be able to explore your various TikTok videos. In the button section, you can see there are options like home, friends, plus, and inbox and profile. So in order to create your own audio, you need to create a video on your original sound. For that, simply tap over your plus at the center of the lower button. And after tapping over there, you will be able to see this interface from where you can create a video of TikTok. In the upper section, there is add sound option. But since we are trying to create an original sound on TikTok, you don't have to add any of the sound over here. You can just create a video on your own original sound. For that, you just can tap over the video making option or the red option at the button or in between the effects and upload, and a video will be created and you'll be able to have your own original sounds. The next thing is you can also tap over add sound, and you just can go for your sounds, and here you have to import your sound from either video or you can import your local sounds. You can go for scan now and you can upload any of the audio of your own phone. Just select and go for import one sound, and you just can use this sound like this, and by doing that also you'll be able to create your own audio or original sound on TikTok. So I hope this video was helpful. If you want us to make any tutorial videos on any topics, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.